Welcome to Navigating the Silence, the mechanics of offline GPS. We often mistakenly equate no service with being lost. The technology that locates you in space is actually separate from the internet network. Your navigation experience is made of two distinct layers. Layer 1 is positioning, the hardware truth relying on satellite physics. Layer 2 is rendering, the map context that requires downloaded images or internet. You can lose the map, but still retain the truth of your location. The GPS satellites orbit the Earth and function as lighthouses in the sky. They are not tracking you. Instead, they constantly broadcast two pieces of data: their precise location in space and the exact time the signal was sent. A common myth is that your phone pings a satellite. In reality, your GPS receiver is a passive listener. It only listens and performs internal math, sending no data out. This is why core GPS is private, free, and independent of cellular service. The physics of location is based on time. The satellite timestamps the signal with the exact send time. Your device notes the exact arrival time. The time delay multiplied by the speed of light equals the distance to that specific satellite. Trilateration Step 1. The sphere of possibility. Knowing the distance to one satellite isn't enough. It only tells you that you are somewhere on the surface of a sphere surrounding that satellite. More reference points are needed. Trilateration. Step 2. The intersection. As the receiver picks up signals from more satellites, it layers the data. 2 satellites create a circle of possible locations. 3 satellites reduce the location to 2 specific points, one on Earth and one far in space. Step 3. The 3D fix. To get a precise reading, a minimum of 4 satellites is required. The 4th satellite resolves clock synchronization errors and determines altitude. With 4 reliable signals, the math is complete, providing a precise latitude, longitude, and altitude. The internet's role is acceleration, not operation. When connected, the internet downloads a, quote, cheat sheet of satellite orbit data, or ephemeris. This assisted GPS speeds up the time to first fix from 45 to 60 seconds to 2 to 5 seconds, but it does not perform the navigation. Coordinates are math. Maps are images. The satellite provides the raw numbers, the coordinates. The map application provides the context. Without a downloaded map, your GPS is working perfectly. You just lack the image to show you what that location looks like. The offline protocol. To achieve true independence, you must combine the satellite signal with local storage. Preload map data while on Wi-Fi. When you enter a dead zone, your phone retrieves the map from storage and overlays the live satellite position, replicating the internet's functionality locally. Dedicated standalone units work offline out of the box, with permanently built-in maps. However, maps can become outdated. Smartphones require manual downloading of offline areas, but offer constantly updated topography and a multifunctional screen. Navigating with confidence starts with understanding the architecture of GPS. As long as you can see the sky, you are connected to the constellation. By preloading your map data, you ensure you can always find your place in the world, with or without a signal.